Sir, unless the key industries are nationalized, our economy is not going to improve. When we requested that Hindustan Motors should be taken over, the then minister said that it was a junk. They are manufacturing ambassador cars, which are good cars. Though people say everything in that car minus the horn makes noise. When there was a lockout in the Standard Motors in Madras, we could have taken over that company. Automobile industry should be taken over unless the key industries are nationalized. Our economy is not going to improve. This inflation cannot be checked only by robbing the people on the one hand and limiting the dividend to 12% so far as takeover is concerned. I do not know who is going to take over whom. The highest bidder will take over the country. Therefore, I would request the Honorable Finance Minister not to rely solely on this measure because rupees 5 crores would be nothing. The monopoly houses should be taken over, otherwise, they will hold the country to ransom. Stop. Para. During the national misfortunes, like when lakhs of refugees came from other side in starvation conditions, their people were minting money. At that time, these sharks went to the borders and sold daily necessities at fabulous prices and minted money at the cost of starvation of these people. They want to mint money and maintain their profits at the cost of anything. I am opposing this bill only because this will not serve the purpose. Only a very small number of companies will be covered by this. Most of monopoly companies will function in such a way that they do not declare any dividend at all. What about the control of their expenses? By this measure, you are going to get only rupees 5 crores, whereas by freezing the emoluments and DNS allowances, you are getting rupees 300 crores. I want the finance minister to let us know what more measures are likely to be taken to control these big business and monopoly houses, to curb them and reduce or minimize their profits and take over them, because unless the means of production are taken over by the state, nothing is going to happen in this country. Moreover, government should have a close check on these monopoly houses owners, that they do not hide the government revenue and pay honestly, that they maintain proper books of accounts, etc., and declare it to the authorities. With these words, I support the motion of disapproval moved by my honorable friend and request the honorable minister to make a statement on it. Stop.